Charity's rocking a new hairstyle. Hey, Charity! This is her first part. Her first 2 ponytails. Hey, cutie patootie. You got a busy day today. Look at this. Yeah, that's your diaper. Oh, Charity, it's very cute. Oh, it's very cute. I hope it stays. No. Yeah, that's where the diapers go, but after they're dirty. We don't put clean diapers in there. Yep, it's a baby trick. It's baby proof. Can't do it. See, I'm smart, Mom. Just give me a little while. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Ah, here she goes. Give Mama, no. Give Mama the brush and the comb. Thank you. Hey. Get off. Hey, what are you doing? He's a monkey. Yeah, yucky.
Right. Goes in the bathroom. Did she throw it away?
No. She's gonna spill her hair ties everywhere.
Oh, great.
Good job, Charity. Good girl. Alright, give him to Mama. Give him to Mama. I don't think so, Mom. I'm playing right now. Mom, I'm gonna sit in your chair. Bye. I see you got it on your thumb. It's like a ring, look. I see that.
Okay, dragons, roar as loud as you can.
Oh. Cool. Okay, tell Dada bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.